Jesus never preached any motivational message. Never. We are victims. We are victims of an invasion. We didn't know that Satan had taken over. And right now we cannot differentiate the Spirit of God because other spirits are in our space. Other spirits. We receive miracles from foul spirits. We have received children from water spirits. And everybody comes to testify. The land is polluted. Our prayers are hindered by the prince of Persia. There's no penetration in the spirit. Everybody's crying. The land is parched. Darkness everywhere. We bury our children every day, every other day. Meanwhile, the God of the Bible was known as a champion whose might was revealed in the day of battle. You will never know Jehovah until there is a battle.